Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on notification bell. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make very quick and easy beef vegetable sauce. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I walk you through. So here I have cow meat, that is beef, okay? And the next ingredient here is I have onion here, then fresh pepper. I also have salt, fresh ginger and garlic. And here I have vegetables. I have green pepper, I have carrots, and also green beans. Okay, the next is mixed spices. I have curry powder, I also have turmeric powder, white onions and shallots, and here I have all-purpose flour. Here I have vegetable oil, seasoning cubes. Okay, so here are basically the ingredients to come up with this easy and delicious recipe. The first thing you're going to do is to wash the meat thoroughly, put it in a pot, then add chopped onions, then the mixed spices and seasoning cube, and also add some salt, add water, and cook this for 10 to 12 minutes. So that aside, wash your green beans and cut. Then here is the carrot. I've already washed and scraped the back of the carrot, so I'll be dicing the carrots. So I'm done with dicing the carrots. The next thing you're going to do is to wash your green pepper and pour it, or put it rather, into a slicer. Okay, so I'll be roughly blending it together with the red pepper. As you guys can see, this is what I'm doing now. So this is how it looks like. If you guys are seeing, this is roughly blended. So this is called a slicer. Okay, so the next step is to grate your fresh ginger and garlic, after which you add some vegetable oil in the pot, then chopped onions, then the grated fresh ginger and garlic, then give it a mix. And add your roughly blended green and red pepper. Add your cooked meat. And add water. Cover, leave to simmer for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, here is the flour. I'll be dissolving it in water. This will serve as the thickener, okay? So give it a stir. As you guys can see, it has thickened. And at this point, you can add water if you choose to. Add seasoning cube, salt, leave to simmer for 5 minutes, after which you add your vegetables, that is the carrots, the green beans. You stir. Cover, leave to simmer for 5 minutes, and it's ready. Guys, our delicious beef vegetable sauce is ready. You can enjoy this with rice. So it's an easy recipe you can come up with and substitute for the tomato stew, okay? So within few minutes you're just good to go. You can also replace the beef with chicken or cow liver or cow kidney. Delicious. Guys, make sure you try this recipe out. You're going to love it. It was so delicious. Hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this a try, guys. You're going to love it, okay? Thank you for watching once again. See you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye bye. Love ya.